Let's have a look at setting up a coupon in the EzyCourse platform. This is when you want to give a discount code to people for your various products and services. So in the EzyCourse dashboard under deals, click on coupons and then you add a new coupon. I'm going to apply this coupon. You can apply a coupon actually to all products. I'm just going to apply this to one particular course. And I'm going to give this course a name. You can see I've been doing some examples here. Let's see, this is Halloween's gone, hasn't it? Let's say our holiday 2023 discounts, we're going to call it. And that's just for my reference, that is. But here's where I choose the code that I want people to type in. So let's say we're going to use the code holiday 2023. And we're going to say the discount on the course is going to be 50%. Now you can choose how often the discount applies. So if you want this to apply, if you've got a subscription product, you can apply the coupon just to the first payment, or actually you can apply it to all of the payments, which is forever, or you can set it to repeating. So it might be that you want to give, I don't know, the first and the second month free, but then you want it to carry on as normal. So different options here, a one-off discount, or for subscribing products you can have it set to be forever, or just for a number of months if you like. We'll leave that set at once. And you can also say how many of these codes are available. So if you wanted to limit it, let's say to the first 10 early customers, you could put 10 in this box and limit the number of times that code can be used to just 10. You can also set expiry dates as well. So if you've got a particular promotion running for a period of time, then you can turn off the coupon automatically, meaning that you don't need to mess about with things manually when that expiration date occurs. Let's have a quick look at how this looks in the EzyCourse platform. So here we are on the shopping cart, and I'm just going to pop in that coupon code here that we created. Click on apply, and you can see the discount has been applied, reducing the price at the bottom. So that's how easy it is to use coupons on the EzyCourse platform.